A factory reset restores your Verizon 5G Wi-Fi router to its original settings, erasing custom configurations and passwords. Do this if you experience persistent connection problems like slow speeds, frequent disconnections, or suspect firmware corruption. A reset clears cached data and resolves software glitches, but won't fix hardware issues. Note that trends point towards zero-touch management, where AI reduces the need for manual resets. There are two primary ways to reset your router. First, locate the reset pinhole on the back or bottom of the router and use a paper clip to press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights blink. Second, you can use the My Verizon app by navigating to the router's settings and selecting Factory Reset. After the reset, reconnect using the default SSID and password printed on the router label. Consider updating the firmware through the app to reapply security and optimizations. For mesh networks, resets often involve synchronizing multiple units.